OpenTable Restaurant Login Easy Guide. If you wish to log in to the OpenTable for Restaurants app, it's actually quite simple for us to do so. But first, you have to make sure that it is the OpenTable for Restaurants app and not the regular OpenTable app, right? Because if you're trying to log in as a restaurant, you have to download that respective application. So once you've downloaded the OpenTable for Restaurant app, be it on your iPhone or Android, simply go ahead and then launch the app, and this is the interface you will see. It will ask us to sign into our restaurant account. So first of all, you want to simply enter the email address that was associated with your OpenTable's restaurant account. Once done, tap on the continue button. On the next tab, if it asks you for a verification, make sure to do that. If it asks you for a password, enter your password and you will be successfully signed in to your OpenTable restaurant account. I hope that this video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.